Hello everyone, today we're going to be talking about the discovery of the basic laws of motion by Galileo. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to dive into a world of motion, a topic that is central to understanding of the physical universe. What if I told you that everything we know about motion today started about 400 years ago with one brilliant mind, Galileo Galilei? In this video, we'll explore how Galileo's groundbreaking discoveries about motion changed the course of science and set the stage for future scientific revolutions. Galileo Galilei, also called the father of modern science, lived during the late 16th and early 17th centuries in Italy. Known for his pioneering work in physics, astronomy, and scientific methodology, Galileo made remarkable contributions that changed how we understand the world around us. His work laid the foundation for what we now call the laws of motion, which are fundamental to classical mechanics. One of Galileo's most famous experiments took place in Pisa, Italy. He said that he dropped two different weighted objects from the Leaning Tower of Pisa to test Aristotle's theorem, which claimed that heavier objects fall faster than lighter ones. Galileo, however, discovered something extraordinary. Both objects hit the ground at the same time, regardless of their weight. This simple yet profound observation was a key moment in the history of science. Galileo's work on motion didn't stop there. He discovered that all objects, regardless of their mass, fall at the same rate when in a vacuum. Idea of uniform acceleration, meaning that an object's speed increases at a constant rate as it falls due to gravity. His observation was a crucial breakthrough that challenged centuries of accepted thinking. Galileo also conducted experiments using inclined planes, which allowed him to study motion more precisely. By rolling balls down these slanted surfaces, he observed that objects accelerate at a constant rate, and he began to outline the fundamental principles of velocity and acceleration. This was the beginning of the scientific method we use today: hypothesizing, experimenting, and observing. Perhaps Galileo's most important contribution to motion was the discovery of what we now call law of inertia. Galileo concluded that in the absence of friction or any other forces, an object will continue to move at a constant velocity in a straight line unless acted upon by an external force. This was a revolutionary concept that completely contradicted the beliefs of ancient philosophers like Aristotle, who claimed that objects would naturally stop moving unless continuously pushed. Galileo's discovery set the stage for Sir Isaac Newton's law of motion, which would be formulated decades later. Newton built on Galileo's work by introducing his own three laws of motion, which became the foundation of classical mechanics. But without Galileo's pioneering experiments, Newton's law might never have been possible. Galileo's work was truly revolutionary by challenging existing ideas and conducting experiments based on observation and logic. It changed the course of scientific history. The basic laws of motion he discovered continue to guide our understanding of how objects move, from the falling of an apple to the motion of planets in the universe. Galileo's insights paved the way for modern physics, and his influence is still felt in every corner of science today. If you found Galileo's discoveries interesting, as I did, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel for more exciting videos on the issue of science, and share this video with your friends who love learning about the wonders of physics. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and let us know how Galileo's work has influenced your understanding of motion, and as always, keep exploring the mysteries of the universe. Bye for now.